Okay, so I have to redo this whole entire area. Don't mind my husband wobbling up the steps. He tore his Achilles. So I'm gonna take all of this down. I wanna put a faux brick wall back there. And then this is the IKEA, how do you pronounce it? Kallax cube. And so I'm going to put the doors are going to be here and here, and then I'm going to have those 4 cubes just out, and I may just put a wicker basket in there. I love the color on it. Obviously this isn't real wood, right, because it came from IKEA, but I do like the color. I like the flow of it, kind of matches my floors. So when I put the doors on, if I feel like it still needs something, I may paint the outside of it and then just leave the inside with the wood. I picked up some MDF boards and got them cut 15 1/4 by 31 inches. I will also be using some drywall spackling for texture. The paint that I'm using is bare Spanish sand, and I also picked up some champagne color knobs from Home Depot as well. Tips for applying the spackle on the MDF board. I would go in the same direction. Do not go over the same spot twice while the spackle is still wet, and move fast. Okay, so this is it with the second coat on it. I love the detailing on it. I love how creamy the texture is. Again, this is Spanish Sand by Bear. So I did run into an issue when applying the hinges. As I was going along, putting everything on and trying to assemble it to the Kallax cube, I noticed that my doors weren't closing all the way, and this was due to the fact that the hinges were too small. So I did have to go back to Home Depot and purchase some wider hinges. And also the MDF board that I purchased was 1/2 inch thick. I would recommend getting 3/4 of an inch, because I did have to switch out the screws as well because they were too small. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe.